Namaskaram. We are showing a herbal combination effective in bad cough, chest pain due to cough. You can see the ingredients. The first one is dry ginger, second one is pepper, third one is long pepper, fourth one is haridagi or Terminalia chapula, rasna, ajwai, all in equal part. All these 6 items should be equal and powdered, and equal amount of sugar cube you will have to mix it, and 5 gram powder, 5 ml honey, mix it together 3 times per day. Taking few days will stop coughing and chest pain due to cough related